came back from the feed store and I'm gonna be feeding the chickens. I didn't add the chili mix because I'm trying to eat too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and feed them, and then tomorrow or later on I can make the mix with the chili mix. Okay, you hungry? Go inside, go inside, go inside. Come on. That's my other pet. I'm a little scared of her. I don't bother her. She doesn't bother me. She can stay there for me. I don't care. I don't want to kill her. So earlier I gave them fresh water before I left to the feed store. Ya está negra el agua. Right? Right back. Okay, I'm back. I got another cup full. Es que les di bastante comida a los baby chicks. Hazte para allá. I'm starving. I think it's like 2 p.m. and I haven't had anything to eat all day. Only coffee and water and a blunt. So right now I'm gonna go inside and eat. All right. Smells like shit.